Alright, my peeps. So what I'm doing today, I'm gonna make my second biofilter. Excuse Miss Penny, I don't know what she's up to. Alright, so this is biochar that's been strained. I'm gonna do a second round. So I already passed. Alright, so this is the strainer. Which is, I believe it's from, I don't know. I can't remember what I took it from. Yeah, but the point is that I'm recycling it. I'm repurposing it. So I went ahead and strained it here in this big container. And this is the result. This is pretty much what I wanted. So here's some biochar that's been strained. This is pretty much like very fine, almost powder form. Yeah, it is powder form because even it gets uplifted by the wind. So I already strained this. So what I gotta do is just rinse it, which that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rinse all of this. It's a little bit mixed up with some lava rocks, but it's okay. No biggie. So I'm gonna add lava rocks. So yeah, so this is all biochar that's been strained or shifted. And it's homemade. This is the one I produced. Another thing that I gotta, one of the layers is gonna be the sand. So you just gotta rinse it, wash it real good. It has the fine one, but I cannot strain it or shift it or sift it or whatever you want to call it. Separate the smaller particulates because it's damp. It's a little bit moist. It got wet. So I have no other choice but to just stir it, and I'm gonna record. It's the best way I could think of that I know so far. Yeah, so it won't be too heavy. I did 3 different batches. I separated. Yeah, because sand is pretty heavy, especially when it's wet. And another layer, another ingredient, it's the lava rock. So I'm gonna rinse them real good. Yeah, they're very porous. You can see all the little nicks and crannies. That's what we want for the good biology. For the good marine biology, beneficial microbes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm multitasking. I'm rinsing the lava rocks. I'm washing and rinsing the sand, the biochar. Okay. And all the little small ones, pretty much. Oh yeah, and also I separate, which I really I'm not gonna do it. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I was separating the really small ones, so whatever goes through these holes, which pretty much are these right here. These are the small ones, but I don't think it's necessary, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse them. But yeah, you can see how dirty it is. You see all this? This is all just dirt. You see? Dirt. Yeah, so I gotta rinse all of these. Well, this is my little stand that I got, finally. Got it for free too. Got it from a friend. A childhood friend. Yeah, a homie, Mike. Yeah. So good looking now, Miguel. Came through, dude. This thing is badass. I like it. So yesterday I built this biofilter. It's the first one. And all of this is free materials, literally everything, all that you see here. So all of this build, all of this setup, I got it for free. Everything except the pump. Yeah, I bought this. I bought this when I ordered the 5-gallon the deal with Boogie Brew, when they show you the water filter and all that stuff. Yeah, so this came along with that package. So this I bought from Josh Cunning from the Boogie Brew company. Yeah, compost tea, man. Gotta do your teas. But besides that, everything you see here, repurposed. I got it for free. Literally, even the extension cord, this little adapter, all these decorations, everything. The wood, the barrels. Yeah, man. So, and the fishies. That's the investment. Yeah. But the plants I got for free. Yeah. So the two things I did had to invest and spend money, cash, the pump, and the fishies, the koi fish, the goldfish, the 13 goldfish that are in there. I got them for free. So all of this stuff I pretty much got from OfferUp and Craigslist. The majority from Craigslist, but now I'm seeing that OfferUp and Lego, they're good, they're badass. Cause I've gotten stuff from all three of them. But yeah, so let me set this up, my peeps. Yeah, and it looks clear actually. It actually looks clear. I could tell the difference. But I'm gonna make this filter better. Yeah, this one's gonna be like the shit. The second one, gonna make it much better. All right, my peeps. Let me set up my camera, and then I'm gonna record me doing all of this, multitasking. All right.